Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly fill out a MoneyGram money order step by step. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, take a look at the front of the MoneyGram money order. You will usually see three important lines that need to be filled out correctly. On the first line, write the name of the person, business, or agency you are paying. Make sure you write the name exactly as provided by the company or person receiving the money order. This is important so they can successfully cash or deposit it. On the second line, you will see a section for the purchaser, signer, or drawer. This is where you write your own name and signature. Use your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. Next, move to the third line. This section is for your address. Write your full home or mailing address clearly and correctly. After filling out the front, turn the money order over to the back side. Do not write or sign anything on the back because that section is usually reserved for the company or person depositing the money order. Now look at the attached receipt section. Carefully detach the receipt and keep it for your records. This receipt can help you track the money order or prove payment if there is ever an issue. That's it. That is how you properly fill out a MoneyGram money order. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.